Introduction and properties of water, pH and buffer solution and biomolecule and its importance. Co-teacher Vak Chaitali Vyas. Introduction of biochemistry. Definition: biochemistry may be defined as a science concerned with the chemical nature and chemical behavior of living matter. Biochemistry may be treated as a discipline in which biological phenomena are analyzed in terms of chemistry, hence the term as the biological chemistry or chemical biology. Biochemistry, as the name implies, is the chemistry of living organism. Living organism, whether they are microorganism, plant or animal, are basically made up of the chemical component. It is the way to study with these components are synthesized and utilized by organism in their life cycle and processes. Other words, the life is nothing but thousands of order of chemical reaction, or chemistry is the logic of biological phenomena. Then history of biochemistry. In the 17th and 18th century, the foundation was laid to many fields of biology. In 19th century, observed that the development concept of the if theory by the Schleiden and Shimon, Mendel's study of inheritance and Darwin's theory of evolution. The real push of biochemistry is 1828, that when the total synthesis of urea from the lead cyanide and ammonia was achieved by the Waller. Then Louis Pasteur during 1857 worked on the fermentation and pointed out the central importance of the enzymes in this process of fermentation. Then in 1897, Edward and Buchner, when he extracted the enzyme from the yeast cell, which could ferment the sugar molecule into the alcohol. Then Newberg is introduced the term of biochemistry in the 1903. After that, 1926, James Summer established the protein nature and enzyme. Then Krebs is introduced the cycle of urea or citric acid. Then 1940, Liefman is introduced the role of ATP in the central biological system. Then Watson and Crick in 1953 give the double helical model of DNA and the DNA polymer by the Kornberg in 1956. Then scope and importance of the biochemistry in agriculture. Evaluating the nutritive value of cereal, pulses, poultry and cattle feed, then development and exploitation of better genotype, removing and inactivation of the toxic for anti-nutrient factors, then food preservation and processing technology, also the post-harvest physiology of fruit crop and vegetable and their nutritive quality. Then the importance of this biochemistry in the disease-based resistant and drought resistant. The formulation of balanced diet, it used to non-conventional sources of protein and development in the field intermediate errors. Then properties of water, pH and buffer solutions. Water is the substance with chemical formula is H2. The one molecule of water has two hydrogen atoms covalently bonded to a single oxygen atom. Let us learn about the physical and chemical properties of water. The properties of water, a glance of the earth taken from the space depicted in blue in color. It indicated by a blue color in all map. This blue color is actually water and the major part of earth covered by with water. The need of water is almost everything. For the example, drinking, bathing, cooking, in everyday activity we use the water. Therefore, we should know about the properties of water. 65% of human body is composed of this water and water is essential for the survival of the life on earth. Water is distributed unevenly on the earth's surface. the major solvent and dissolve almost every polar solutes. So let's have look the properties of understand to reason the significance. That is first one is the physical properties of water. Water is colorless and tasteless liquid. The molecule of water have extensive hydrogen bonds resulting to unusual properties in the condensed form. This also leads the high melting point and boiling point. As compared to the other liquid, water has a high specific heat, the thermal conductivity, surface tension and dipole moment. These properties form a reason for its significance in the biosphere. High latent heat of vaporization which helps to a regulation of body temperature. Then chemical properties of water. Water is some significant reaction like it is amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric in nature means it is dipole. Water can act as the both acid and basis, which means the amphoteric nature. If acidic behavior, that is whenever your water is react with the NH3 and it form the SCO3 and NH4 is separate. And in case of basic behavior, H2 is react with the H2 sulfate aqueous. Whenever that time there is formation of a base is HS aqueous. In redox reaction, if the example in case of great source of hydrogen, twice H2O plus twice sodium, it form the NaOH, that is base, and hydrogen is released. That is the process of photosynthesis. Water is oxidized to O. As the water can be oxidized and reduced, it is very useful for the redox reaction. Then chemical formula of water is H2O. The molar mass is 18.01528 gram per mole. Order is none, it is orderless. Density is solid 0.9167 gram per milli and liquid is 0.997047 gram per ml. Boiling point of water is 99.98 and melting point is 0 degree Celsius and also it is freezing point. Then solubility vapor pressure is 3.1690 kilopascal. Refractive index of water is 1.33330. Thermal conductivity is 0.6065. Viscosity is 0.890 cp and specific gravity is 75.375. Then structure of water is very important point of view. A water molecule consists of two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. The three atoms makes an angle of HOH, an angle approximately 104 degrees Celsius. The center of each hydrogen atom is approximately 0.0957 nanometer from the center of that oxygen atom. Then properties of pH. Water is measurement of acid or alkali. Pure water is very slightly ionized into positively charged hydrogen ions H plus and negatively charged is OH minus. Water is neutral when the number of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions are equal. When the concern with the hydrogen are exceeding than of hydroxide and the water will be acidic and pH is less than 7. And same considered in hydroxide ions exceed than the hydrogen ion then is alkaline and has the pH value is greater than 7. Then pH scale. pH is firstly determined by the Sorensen in 1902. pH is the negative logarithm of the hydrogen atoms. The H plant can range from the 1 milli and it is indicated by 1 into 10 raised to minus 14. Then using a log scale, pH is also indicated by minus log of H plus ions and neutral pH is 7. Then weak acid and basis equilibrium. The strong acid is the dissociate completely. Weak acid are dissociated only in partially, and enzymes activity is sensitive to pH. If weak acid and weak bases important role in protein structures. Then acid conjugate base pairs. If the acid react with water, it forms the A plus H3O, and it forms the donates the hydrogen and Bronsted acid. If conjugate bases accept that hydrogen atom and again form the base, that is Ka is equal to H plus A plus upon HA. K and pKa value describe the tendency to lose the hydrogen atom. Then buffers. Buffers are the aqueous system that resist to the change in pH when the small amount of strong acid or base are added. A buffer system consists of a weak acid or conjugate base. The effective buffering occurs at the region of minimum slope on titration curves and buffers. Then biomolecules. Biomolecules is defined types of structure, properties and its application. Definition: biomolecule, an organic compound normally present as an essential components of living organism. Importance of that biomolecules. The most of biomolecule, they are organic in compound. They have specific shape and dimensions. Functional group determines their chemical properties. Many of them are asymmetric in nature. Micromolecules are large molecules and are constructed from small building blocks molecule. Building blocks molecule have a simple structures. Then important of biomolecule life. Water being the universal solvent and major constituent of any living body without which life is impossible. It acts as a media for the physiological and biochemical reaction in the body itself. It maintains the body in the required turgid condition. Carbohydrates, it is very important for the sources of energy for any physical body function. The protein, these are the very important from body and maintenance point of view. It helps to tissue and cell formation. Lipids, these are important from the energy source to human and nutrition point of view. Nucleic acid, which very important as the DNA carriers, hence information of RNA, which helps in the protein formation for the body. Enzymes are the simple compound of proteins which acting as a specific catalyst in activation of any biochemical or metabolic processes within the body. Then the small molecules, that is amino acids. Protein is the macromolecule. Sugars form starch and glycogen. Fatty acids are fats and oils. Purines and pyrimidines are nucleic acid, and nucleotide are the nucleic acid, that is DNA and RNA. Thank you.